Right, well, here I am again. I keep on trying to make videos of this spinning up, and I'm trying different cameras and getting the resolution right and all that sort of thing. So I've hopefully finally hit on the combination that shows it off to its best ability. Here's the this is the controller. It's a Kelly controller, capable of doing 120 volts at up to 400 amps, which is probably more like 200 amps continuous. This is the contactor. I've wired a little green LED in parallel with that, so I can tell it's on, as if you couldn't tell by the gigantic copper contact coming in, and the click it makes. But anyway, and there is the rest of the batteries. The blue box is the battery charging maintenance system. The black one is the 12 volts, and that comes over. The 12 volt system is fairly low power, so I don't really need anything more than that simple grey cable. I've got my multimeter set up to look at the temperature on the cables. At the moment they're about 22 degrees, and so I've got a light now on the motor, so that you can actually see it as it's spinning. And this is going to be me showing how fast I can get the motor up to before I chicken out. So turn it on, wait for the motor to engage, and about there. See the cables heating up fairly rapidly. Looks like the light has finally fallen over, so I might just slow it down there. You get these really interesting phasing effects. I think they're from the motor, but it could be vibration. Turn it off again, and yep, the cable's up to about 36 degrees and still heating up. So the other day I got it up to about 70 degrees, which was a little stunning and a bit worrying, but anyway, still seemed to be running. So hope you enjoyed that, and leave some comments and let me know what you think. Have fun. Bye.